Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your stickers on Instagram. To begin, first when you open Instagram app, at the top left corner click on your story to create a new story. The next step, you can select camera to make a new photo or select from your gallery a new photo. Next step, at the top click on the sticker icon. Here we can see add yours. If you don't have this option, that means you should update your Instagram app. When you click add yours, you can enter here something. For example, when you finish, at the top right corner click on done. Also, you can click on this option and change to some trending stickers. I show you. I click here and change.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.